Let me ask you something. Do you have a denim jacket hanging in your closet that you really want to love, but every time you put it on, the outfit just feels okay? Like something is missing? Let's be real for a moment. After 50, the denim jacket isn't the problem. It never was. The secret is all in how you style it. And today, my beautiful sisters, I'm sharing 7 genius denim jacket styling hacks that will instantly take this casual classic and make it look polished, elegant, and like it cost 10 times what you paid for it. And promise me, you'll stay until the end, because the bonus trick is a tiny adjustment that completely changes how a denim jacket sits on your beautiful frame. Let's get into it. Hack number 1. The classic power combo, denim jacket, white pants, and a neutral base. Now, this is one of the most reliable and elegant ways to wear a denim jacket after 50 because it respects your figure and creates visual calm. The key here is a classic blue denim jacket. Think rich, deep, and timeless. Not too dark, not too faded, and free from heavy, distracting rips. Now, pair that with crisp white pants. White pants instantly bring light to your outfit. They feel modern, confident, and fresh, like a breath of fresh air on a sunny day. But without balance, they can feel a little stark. That's where the neutral base comes in. By keeping what's underneath the jacket soft and tonal, think cream, beige, a warm stone, taupe, or a soft gray. You reduce contrast and create a beautiful cohesion. Your eye isn't pulled in multiple directions. Instead, the outfit feels intentional and deeply polished. This combination works beautifully for everyday life. Lunches with the girls, travel days, or casual meetings. It looks considered without feeling overdressed. If you're ever unsure how to style that denim jacket, come back to this formula. It's calm, it's wearable, it's elegance at its finest. Now, tell me in the comments, do you already own a great pair of white pants? Or have you been hesitant to try them? Hack number 2. Swap your blue for white. This is one of those quiet changes that completely shifts how an outfit feels. We all love our classic blue denim jackets. They're familiar, versatile, and a true wardrobe staple. But a white denim jacket? Honey, that changes the mood instantly. White denim reflects light, which softens the overall look and gently lifts the complexion, bringing a beautiful warmth to your face. It feels fresher, cleaner, and more deliberate. The silhouette stays the same, but the impression completely changes. This is why a white denim jacket often reads as more elegant. It doesn't shout for attention, but it subtly elevates everything around it. Even a simple all-black outfit looks instantly more polished and considered with a white denim jacket. It's not about replacing your blue denim. It's about knowing when you want an upgrade without any effort at all. Hack number 3. The monochrome magic trick. This is a styling technique that elegant women use instinctively, and it is incredibly powerful after 50. When everything underneath your denim jacket stays within one color family, the eye moves smoothly from top to bottom. There are no visual stops, no distractions. Think black on black, head to toe. A rich chocolate brown with a lighter caramel layer, or soft cream layered with ivory. The denim jacket, whether blue or white, then becomes a framing piece rather than the focal point. It adds structure, but it doesn't interrupt the line of your body. This creates length, calm, and visual confidence. Monochrome outfits don't look expensive because they're loud and dramatic. They look expensive because they're restrained. They signal intention, clarity, and a deep sense of self-assurance that we have earned. If you ever want your denim jacket to feel sophisticated rather than just casual, this is one of the most effective ways to do it. And hey, if you're loving these tips and want more style advice specifically for us, Black women over 50, please take a second to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Golden Melanin Lifestyle. It really helps our community grow. Now, let's keep going. Hack number 4. Denim jacket over a midi dress. This is where many women hesitate, but this is where a denim jacket can actually look incredibly chic. A denim jacket over a midi dress works when there's a clear balance between softness and structure. The dress brings fluidity, movement, and that beautiful femininity we love. The jacket brings shape, grounding, and polish. The key is contrast. A floaty or softly draped dress, maybe with a print you love, paired with a clean, structured jacket, feels modern and intentional. This is grown woman chic at its finest. It's one of the easiest ways to wear a denim jacket in a more elevated, feminine way. So, which do you prefer, a flowy dress or a more streamlined one? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to know. Hack number 5. Denim jacket and tailored trousers. This pairing instantly changes the category a denim jacket sits in. Tailored trousers bring clarity to an outfit. They create length, structure, and a sense of polish that denim alone doesn't provide. When you pair them with a denim jacket, you get a beautiful contrast. Relaxed on top, refined on the bottom. This is a very European approach to style, mixing casual and tailored elements, so the outfit feels natural and effortless rather than styled to death. The denim jacket keeps things approachable, and the trousers add authority and elegance. Together, they create an outfit that feels confident, modern, and quietly powerful. And after 50, that sense of quiet power is everything, isn't it? Hack number 6. Finish with texture, not just color. This is where an outfit moves from simply put together to truly refined. Denim, especially in lighter washes, already has strong visual presence. Adding bold, competing colors on top of that can quickly make an outfit feel busy. Instead, elevate the look through texture. Think smooth leather belts, shoes in rich suede or soft nubuck, structured leather handbags, and simple gold or warm silver jewelry. These materials add depth without creating visual noise. They create interest without competing for attention. When contrast comes from texture rather than clashing color, the outfit feels calmer, more intentional, and significantly more expensive. And subtlety, my darlings, is one of the strongest markers of elegance after 50. Hack number 7. Mind the fit, sister. This is your anchor rule. After 50, denim jackets look best when they are clean, controlled, and thoughtfully fitted. It's not about being tight or restrictive. It's about clarity. Heavy, distressing, oversized bulk or excessive hardware can overwhelm your frame and make an outfit feel dated or careless, even when the pieces underneath are beautiful. Instead, look for a jacket that holds its shape, skims your body without clinging, and has clean lines with minimal detailing. Pay attention to the shoulders, the length, and where the jacket ends on your torso. Those details quietly determine whether the look feels modern or messy. When the fit is right, everything underneath immediately looks better. Fit isn't about size, it's about proportion, and this is where real polish begins. Okay, and now for that bonus tip I promised. The proportion detail hack. Before you go, this is the small adjustment that often makes the biggest difference. Start with the sleeves. Leaving them long and straight can sometimes make the jacket feel stiff and heavy. Gently pushing them up, just a little, exposes your wrist, adds lightness, and instantly makes the outfit feel more relaxed and styled. Next, look at the collar and front line. A softly shaped collar or a slightly open neckline creates space around your face and neckline, which is incredibly flattering after 50. It prevents the jacket from looking rigid or boxy. These are tiny adjustments. Nothing dramatic, nothing trendy, but together they completely change how a denim jacket reads. This is the beautiful difference between just wearing a jacket and truly styling it. So, if denim jackets have ever felt a little tricky after 50, I truly hope this video has changed the way you see them. Tell me in the comments, which denim jacket looked the most like you? Was it the white pants and neutral base, the chic monochrome look, or the tailored trousers? I can't wait to read your answers. And that is all for today, my beautiful golden melanin sisters. Thank you for being here with me. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue this style journey together, please give it a like and subscribe to Golden Melanin Lifestyle. It really helps our light shine brighter. Until next time, stay confident, stay chic, and always remember, our elegance has no age limit. It only gets richer with time.